We are back. This is Ghana fufu. Okay?
I'm crying.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. The name is Jeannie. You always wanted Teresa back on here, so today we got her on here. So in this video we'll be cooking Ghanaian chicken soup with fufu. It's Ghanaian delicacy. Just say hi. We're about to start and hopefully this doesn't take too long. Are you ready?
I am.
She's a chef. Let's go ahead and start this video.
With Ghanaian chicken soup, we have our own way of cooking or making our soup. We went to get fresh chicken, not the frozen ones. This is fresh. It was live bird. We have our onions, raw fresh tomatoes. We need our gardeners, tomato paste, pepper,
And we have our ginger here. Actually, we have a lot of ginger.
and our garlic, some chicken cube, and
Yeah, and our meat tenderizer because yeah, this meat can be very, very hard.
yes, we're gonna start by washing our chicken. Our Ghanaian method, we have to boil the gardeners with the pepper together. I don't know why we do them together, but
I mean, it's Ghanaian food.
generations.
I know. It was fast though.
So we cut, then we cut in between, just to make sure everything is okay. I don't know why we don't boil it whole. It's tradition.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
I think we need to ask questions, you know.
I think maybe it cooks better.
That was what I was thinking.
Yeah, maybe it cooks better if it's cut in half or something.
And sometimes they do that to find out if it's not rotten.
Oh
you know.
yeah.
And with the garden eggs, it depends on the size you want the soup to be. If you want small quantity, you don't need much garden eggs.
One garden egg for each person. No, sorry, it doesn't work out.
We are using 5 because we want our soup to be quick, and we are using 3 pepper. If it was just up to me, I would have used just 1 or 2. Boil it, and with the pepper, just as I said, I don't like spicy, so I just use 3 pepper. So if you are that kind of person that likes spicy
You can
food,
use 10.
10.
Sometimes I do remember when we used to use 10 peppers for soup. 10! Ha! Who did know who would do? It was so good. Let's agents of shit.
I love such
It's so
movies.
This guy
nice.
has some
Criminal doctors, policemen.
all to his own good because he's a criminal. Yeah, it's so nice.
Now, garlic candy.
No, I have more. I just want her to have a space, okay? What other shows? Nikita.
Oh yeah, I've heard about that.
Nikita is a good show.
I mostly like the hospital movies and the crime
Grey's
scenes. Yes.
Anatomy
I
and
like
those
SWAT. I just don't like movies that the main character dies.
Oh, Money Heist. Oh,
Money Heist. I don't like it.
Because
I feel like they are going to die or
One by
something
one.
is going to
Oh,
happen.
I like it.
We are back. Now we have to cut the onions, the ginger, and the garlic. The thing is, we are going to blend all of them together, so don't mind how we cut it.
It's fine.
Yes.
It'll be okay. I mean, everybody cuts their ingredients differently.
That's right.
So that's fine.
So that's the garlic.
Sometimes when I'm recording, I know I have said the right thing. I go back and I listen and I'm like, what? How did I not hear myself saying this? Oh my God, so weird.
And also, it depends on how much you like ginger or garlic.
I love ginger. I love ginger.
I mostly
Okay.
prefer garlic, but the reason why we are using both ginger and garlic is because of the smell.
Yeah. It can make you a bit nauseous.
Yep.
You add all of these things.
So this is Ghanaian soup, okay?
Ghanaian chicken soup. I know definitely some Ghanaian will see this and be like, what are they doing? This is not how it's done. No, that is how it's done.
Yes.
I mean, according to us. So.
How our mom taught us.
Exactly. So don't just watch and learn.
And I like American soup too. It's
yeah,
really
yeah,
good.
yeah.
You know, they have their carrots, their veggies
And everything.
mixed in the soup. That's good also. But I don't think you can use American soup to eat fufu.
Oh no, you can.
Most of you guys are wondering what is fufu. We'll show you guys.
So
You understand what we are saying?
But you can eat chicken soup with rice.
With rice, yes.
Yeah, you can have it with rice. Before come to me in the comments, I asked her, she said no, she doesn't know.
It's our chicken.
You want to taste our kitchen?
It's our chicken.
America, are you in the building? I love the Ashantis. Don't get me wrong, I'm actually married to one.
I'm also an Ashanti.
Nobody does an Ashanti. I'm surrounded by Ashantis. I love them.
Guys, I'm crying.
I think that's what these actors do usually.
Sit down with it. I'm crying from this onion.
You're going to eat.
Of course.
Let's add more water. Yes. We added like a cup of water to it, so we are going to blend. Can you see? Oh, this onions, man! Oh, guys. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and blend it.
So we have our chicken here, freshly washed. We have our onion, ginger, and garlic. Cut everything. I know it is a lot, but I prefer more onions. Now we're gonna add our cube. We're gonna use 2 because this is soup. You don't want too much spices. We're gonna add some tomato paste. Anytime I'm making a soup and I'm using garden eggs, I prefer to add tomato paste to it. It gives it more flavor, more texture. But be mindful because this is not stew. This is soup. We can choose to add our tomatoes now, or maybe we'll do it later. Just a little bit of it. Just a little bit, and I keep pouring it. Okay, now we're gonna add our salt. We want our chicken to taste good. Ready for the fire. It looks like our garden eggs is well cooked. We're going to drain the water out and we're going to blend it, but we need it to cool down before we blend it. The garlic, the ginger. This is why our mommies will say steamy. We're just going to taste the salt. Looks like our meat is almost done, so we're gonna add it like this now. Okay guys, the tomatoes is well cooked. We have to remove it. We're gonna blend our garden eggs with our pepper. So this is the blended garden eggs and peppers. Basically, this is the whole soup. Why the seeds? Because maybe when we blended it, we get some seeds. Look at all these seeds.
So if you want to make like this soup, try and find like an abattoir or where you can get live chicken instead of getting the one from Walmart.
Ooh, this is our tomatoes. We have our blended tomatoes ready, but we're not gonna pour it in it now. We're gonna leave it on the fire for some time, 5 to 10 minutes. Then we put the blended tomatoes in. Peace out. I'm excited because when it gets to this part, I know that we are finally getting to the end.
This is very simple. Hey, guys, I'm hungry. That's all I know. I'm always hungry.
Good to leave it.
Really? Okay guys, so now it's time for us to make our fufu. And we're using the Mama's Choice fufu mix. There are so many different types of the African store.
If we were back home, we would have used the raw plantain and the raw cassava. They'll boil it and mix it together. This is just the powdered form. I'm going to show you guys how we mix it and how we do it. This is how it looks like if you get the Mama's Choice. And then add some water to it. You need to mix it together. You guys should try it. You love it. Yeah, so keep on following Jeanette. You learn more of her soups. Yes, it's always good to know more about different culture. I don't know how you guys call it in English, but in our language we call it benkuta. It's called benkuta. I'll call it wooden spoon. When it gets thick, that is where the main action is. So we're gonna stir it like this until it gets thick. Now it's thick, it's mixed together. If you don't have enough strength, don't try our fufu. You can do it in the microwave.
I'm doing it in the microwave.
It's doing this in the microwave. And it will be done in about 10 to 15 minutes.
I said so much, but Mr. Francis wasn't recording. I'm very hurt. But anyway, this is Ghana fufu. Okay? If you see anything that is not like this, that's not fufu. It's not authentic. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Why do we have to go through so much just to eat food? Yes. This is fufu. Oh man.
But the name you wanna be bumpire.
It looks like it.
Mary Wavy.
It smells so good.
I know. This is the fufu. It looks so good. So
good.
this is Ghanaian fufu with chicken soup. I'm ready to eat. It looks
Me
so
too.
good. You have anything else to say?
Many of you will be wondering what is this?
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
called apotoyewa. That is the English.
Anywhere pot or apotoyewa.
Follow Jenny Mensah on YouTube, on Instagram.
Yeah, this is where I'm going to bring the video to an end. Once again, my name is Jeannie and
Teresa.
then also follow our business page, JT Catering Service on Instagram for more recipes and food and all of that stuff. We'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.